How to share reels with someone on Instagram. Hello guys, today I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this video, in this channel of course. So let's start. You will just go first and open Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening, you will just go down here, for example, icon of reels. For example, I like this reels, or I would look for another reels, for example this. I want to share it with someone. I will just go here in this place and click. Then for example, I want to send it to this person. I will click send like this. Then when I finish, I will click down, and then when I will back and go to message right now, as you see, I sent a reels on my to this friend. And that's it guys, I hope this video you have found useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel. See you next video.